Taking a look at Jasmy from the previous video, we can see that Jasmy is now beginning to push into our red resistance, which this is essentially Jasmy's moment to confirm, or at least in the short term, confirm that the bottom is in. In my opinion, I don't think the bottom will be confirmed until it gets over 17.4, but in the short term, you can see that from this recent high down to the low, we're coming up on the 236 at 1477. So if Jasmy is able to get over this 1477, then a larger move up to 16 and 17.4 would be in play. And if Jasmy gets over 17.4, we could say the bottom is in, and a larger move up to 19 and 23 would take place. Now, obviously, if Jasmy is not able to get over this 17.4 and it actually gets rejected, then you could still form a potential bottom. If Jasmy comes back to the 618 retracement and holds the support, unfortunately, by the time you're down here, it's impossible to know if it's going to hold or not. That's why I'm highlighting now that if you see Jasmy is unable to get over 1477, there's an increased probability that you're going to come back down here. Obviously, if it holds, you could form a double bottom. If it doesn't hold, then this probably isn't the bottom, and there'll be another move down to about 1 cent before you get another bounce. Now, again, obviously, if we get through this level, then you could be looking for that push up to 17, which obviously, if we get stuck at 17, then it's still bearish. If it gets through 17, we would argue the bottom is in, and a larger move up to about 20, and then 22 would be in play. And then once we get over 22 cents, we could start looking for another rally. But quite a lot of work to do for Jasmy. We got to get over 14.7 if we're going to be bullish at any time. Obviously, as I said earlier, if it doesn't get over that level and it actually sells off, then you'll be looking for 12 again in the not too distant future. That is just my opinion.